How to buy Arctic Pablo token. So this token came under the symbol of APC. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before we're going to buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token is under the pre-sale, as you can see. If you want to join the pre-sale, you can. And to be able to buy this token, the only way to buy this token is from their official website. So connect your wallet first. Select your wallet from here. For example, I will use the MetaMask. Now, as you can see here, I will log into my accounts like that. After that, click on connect to connect your wallet to their website. So as you can see, after you connect your wallet, you can now click on buy now. Now, after that, as you can see, this page will pop up here. Now, the step one, as you can see, select the payment method. Now select the payment method. For example, if you want to select the Ethereum, you can now select this token that came under the Ethereum network, for example, USDT. And here type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Now, if you click on buy now, as you can see, confirm on your wallet. Now go to your wallet, but make sure first that you have enough USDT on your wallet. If you don't have any USDT, go to your wallet and buy some USDT on your wallet. And after that, click confirm here and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy APC token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.